Hi everyone, it's Wayne. I wanted to show you this shower, how it turned out. It had some badly stained grout and old caulking that it was still adhered very nicely. Stayed, but it got some discoloration in it, and that's not what we wanted. So I ground out all this grout, not completely 100%, but pretty deep, so that the new stuff would adhere and stay in there real good. And it did nice. I'm going to show you the tools I used. This the grout saw and the caulking removal tool, and it's also got the things to do the corner like that, so I don't have to get it all over my fingers quite as much. All right, the corners, all that come out real nice. And you can see that grout looks real good. So anyway, I'll get these tools and kind of flip to another video. I don't want this Wayne. Do a little scraping caulk and adhesive today. Got this this tool here, and seems to work really nice. It cleans off any excess that's on there. I'm using it in combination with this silicone caulk remover. So I'm getting the excess scraped off, and I'm going to put this on here. All you do is put it on there for 3 minutes and scrape it off. We'll see what happens. I put some of this on, put on a cloth, wiped it around the sealant that needed to come off. Waited 3 or 4 minutes, come back, and it did break the molecular bond. And I'm telling you, it just come off like butter.